Hello and welcome to the MU Library's homepage. I'll be taking you through a quick overview of the resources you can access directly from library.missouri.edu. From the library's homepage, you can navigate to resources like books, journal articles, online databases, and media. To help you find the information you need, this page is divided into different sections. The navigation bar at the top helps you find more information on the site. The main topics include libraries and library collections, resources for instructors and students, and the library, where you can discover what the library offers, services for various types of students, staff, and guest users, and My Accounts to access your borrowing records. Just below these tabs, you can find the library's hours. The library's hours of operation change during weekends and exam week, so be sure to check the More Hours link to plan in advance. The search box in the middle is a great place to start your research or find library materials, and it allows you to search many of the library's resources in one search. If you're not sure where to start, try searching here first. The quick links at the bottom offer you the most commonly sought information and links to further guides with more in-depth information like course guides. You can find other resources like a link to reserving study rooms or renew My Books to access your library account. You can use Contact Us to speak to a librarian or ask a question. If you're looking for a particular type of resource, try the Looking For options to connect to a particular database, journal, article, or book. The sections to the right let you view library news, access event and workshop calendars, access specific apps and tools available to library users, and a few other quick links such as if you're having trouble accessing resources from off-campus. You can use the Ask the Librarians pop-out tab for quick help. You can also come by the single service desk or use the Contact Us page to get in touch with a librarian if you need help.